Hello friends, welcome to Spicy Flavors. Hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to cook for you shrimp linguine with vodka sauce. The ingredients that we have are 1 pound of large shrimp which have been cleaned, half a cup of red and orange peppers, these are sweet, half a cup of carrots and colorful cherry tomatoes. This looks really colorful and it's going to be delicious. So let's get cooking and enjoy. When the pan is nice and hot, the first thing is we'll cook the carrots because this would take a little longer. Now let's add the shrimp. Shrimp cooks pretty fast, shouldn't take too long. Shrimp looks good. Let's add a little bit of ginger garlic. So we can cook this for about 30 seconds for the raw flavor of the garlic to go away. Shrimp doesn't take too long to cook. Just keep it for not more than 2 minutes. Now we can add a little bit of ground pepper. I'm going to lower the heat a little. Onion powder. Let's put a little bit of seasoning salt. This is beginning to look really good. Shrimp looks good. Linguine noodles which I have here. I'm going to use half a packet of it because I'm not basically a noodles guy. I've added a little bit of salt and a little bit of oil so that the noodles don't stick together. We're going to boil this for about 8 minutes. It's a good idea to set a timer to make sure that the noodles don't overcook. If they overcook, they'll just become mushy. To check the noodles, just make sure there's no brown in the middle. Now these look good. We're going to shock them with cold water so that it doesn't cook anymore. Now this stops the process of cooking. Here I have the linguine noodles. It's a good idea to mix it with 2 spoons. Wow, this is looking delicious, friends. Now let's add the sauce. This is vodka sauce. Wow, this is come out delicious. We can keep this on simmer for a couple of minutes. Let the noodles simmer with the sauce for about 2 to 3 minutes for the sauce to ooze out of all the veggies and the noodles so that it will come out delicious. Let's top it off with some parsley. Wow, look at this, guys. Doesn't this look delicious? Wow, the sauce has come out delicious. Look at this. Doesn't this look delicious? Wow, this is fantastic. Let's add a few shrimp. This looks yummy, yummy. Let's top it off with some parsley. Let's check it out. The shrimp are nice and juicy. Just delicious, friends. Let's check out the noodles. Noodles are nice and soft. It's just fantastic. Love it. Friends, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.